Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, Chilling with Des. Join me in my kitchen today as I make a lobster ravioli with rosé sauce. Simple, easy recipe to put together. Here I have some spices. I have onion powder, I have black pepper, paprika, and some pasta seasoning. Here I have some celery salt. So over there on my stove, I have my water boiling, and I'm not going to use all of this. I'm just going to cut this in half. I'm going to use half of it. Because I'm only making this for a serving of 2. So come over here. Just gonna add the ravioli to my boiling water. I decided to use both packs because it's not a lot, so I'm just gonna add the next pack. It's frozen, so it's kind of take down the temperature of the water, so I have to wait a little bit for it to boil. I'm adding some salt to taste. I'm also going to add some olive oil so that the pasta won't stick together, and I'm going to leave this to boil until tender. Here the ravioli is done boiling, and I'm just going to strain this and prepare my sauce. I'm going to run some cold water so they don't stick together. And allow it to strain. So here I have the rosé sauce, and I'm just going to pour it right into the pot. Going to add some water to this to get everything out. As you guys can see, the sauce have in it already some spices, but I'm gonna add some additional spices to it. So in goes my black pepper, paprika, quarter teaspoon of everything, onion powder, pasta seasoning, some celery salt, and here I have some salt. I'm not gonna add this as yet. I'm gonna, because all those seasoning have salt in it, so I'm just gonna give this a mix and I'll taste for salt. If it need, I'll add. If not, I'll just continue to cook this, simmer it down a little bit, maybe for like 3 minutes, and I'll add the ravioli to it. I'm just gonna taste the sauce to make sure if there's enough salt. No, needed some more salt, so I just put like a pinch. You can put salt to taste. My sauce is ready, and now I'm gonna add my ravioli. I'm just gonna turn my stove off and let this ravioli suck up all the juice here. Just like take your time and just loose out. Take apart the ravioli so it can get into the sauce to suck up all that juice from the sauce to give it that nice flavor. Looks good. Guys, look at this. The lobster ravioli with rosé sauce. Simple and easy. Guys, you can give this recipe a try. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me if you try it, if you like it. It will encourage me to make more video for you guys. Really good. So I'm gonna plate this up and come back and show you guys what it looks like. I'm just plating this, guys. Look at this. Very saucy. Wow. Just some more sauce. Guys, my lobster ravioli is done. Here I have some Parmesan cheese. I'm just gonna sprinkle some on top. This is optional, you don't have to, but my kids love it like this. And myself. Look at that. Wow. I'm gonna try a piece. It's hot, so let me try. Very soft. I can taste the lobster. Delicious. Guys, if you enjoy making this lobster ravioli with me today, please give this recipe a try. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Thank you once again for spending this little time with me in my kitchen. And season greetings. Christmas is upon us. So come back to see what I'll make next. Until next time. Bye-bye.